Hi, I'm Lynn, and I'm the Director of Education for the MRSEC Integrated Education Group.
And my name is Matt, and I'm the Assistant Director. Today we're going to talk to you about how we go about interacting with audiences at large outreach events.
We have a three-step system of invite, engage, and explain that we're going to show you today.
Well, let's get started.
The first thing we need to do is invite people to come to our activity. Even though people are at a science outreach event, they may be shy about approaching your table. You can ask them if they want to see something cool or gross, or if they want to try an experiment. It would look something like this. Hi, do you want to try something cool?
I'd love to.
My name is Lynn.
I'm Matt. Different types of activities lend themselves to different types of invitations. For example, this metallic glass activity, I like to invite people to join me like this. Hi there, would you like to do an experiment with me?
Sure.
What's your name?
Lynn.
My name is Matt. I'll show you what you need to do. For the triboelectric nanogenerator activity, I like to invite people like this. Hi there, would you like to produce some electricity?
Sure.
What's your name?
Lynn.
I'm Matt. Once you get a visitor to your table, you want to engage them as quickly as possible. So for the nanogenerator activity, here's how I would go about doing that. Okay, I want you to look inside this can while you shake this egg, and then tell me if you see anything.
Wow, I see a green flashing light.
All right. Once you get your visitor to your table, you want to engage them as quickly as possible. So for this metallic glass activity, it might look something like this. I want you to take these two balls, and you're going to drop them into these tubes on the count of 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Did you notice anything different about these?
Yeah, that one bounced a lot longer and higher than that one. With some activities, you have to be careful about the materials that you're using. It might look something like this. All right, what I want you to do is to bend that into any shape you want, except don't tie it in a knot. And let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
So I'm going to have you drop it in here. Now this is really hot water, so be careful.
Okay.
Go ahead whenever you're ready.
Whoa!
What did you notice?
It's straightened out.
Yeah. Do you want to try it again?
Yeah.
At this point, I usually invite parents that are with children to participate in the activity as well. They don't always get engaged in these kinds of events. After someone's done your activity and they're interested, it's an excellent time to explain the science to them.
Wow, that was really cool.
Do you want to know what's going on with this material?
Yeah, what was that?
Yeah, so this is called memory metal. It's undergoing a phase transition. You've seen those before. You know how ice melts into water?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's a solid to liquid transition. This is undergoing a solid to solid transition.
Huh.
These materials are really useful. For example, have you ever had braces, or do you know people who have?
Yeah.
These materials are used to make braces because they remember the shape they're supposed to be in.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, they're used for a lot of other things as well. You want to make sure that you explain to people why the science matters, what problems it's solving, or how they might see it or use it in their everyday lives. This is also an excellent opportunity to talk about your own work and the science that you do.
Finally, once you've finished explaining your activity, you should always ask your visitor if they have any questions.
Now, Matt and I know we were being pretty silly during this video. We want you to remember that the most important things are to be yourself when interacting with the public and to have fun.